Hey guys! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's me again, Teacher Jane. Today, I will be discussing you a Venn diagram. What is a Venn diagram? Venn diagram uses overlapping circles to show how things are alike and different. For today's objectives, you will learn how to summarize information, compare things, and build comprehension. For example, I have a fruit, a banana, and a lemon. So, can you give me the characteristics of a banana?
Yellow, smooth, sweet, fruit,
What about a lemon?
fruit, yellow, sour, bumpy.
Very good. So, to illustrate the characteristics of a banana and a lemon, we will be using two overlapping circles. One for banana and one for lemon. So, to show the traits of a banana and the traits of a lemon. While at the middle or the overlapping part are the traits that they are alike. So the traits that only a banana has is its being smooth and sweet, while the lemon is its being sour and bumpy. The characteristics that they are alike is that they are both yellow and they are fruit. Another example is a cow and a horse. A cow has 4 legs, it has horns, it is a mammal, and it says moo. While the horse says whinny, it runs fast, it has 4 legs, and it is a mammal. So the traits that the only cow has is that it has horns and it says moo. While the traits of the only horse, it says whinny, it runs fast. And the traits that they are alike is that they are both 4-legged mammals. Another example are the letters of the name of Ellie and the letters of the name of Jane. To illustrate using the Venn diagram, the letters of the name Ellie, E-L-I, and the letters of the name Jane, J-A-N-E. The letters that they have the same is letter E, while Ellie has unique letters L-I and Jane has a unique letters J-A-N. And for the last examples, I have here students who like singing, Janet, Joel, Elsa, Anna, and Chris, and who likes dancing, Elsa, Anna, Joel, Billy, and Leslie. To illustrate using the Venn diagram, students who likes dancing and singing, so Janet, Joel, Elsa, Anna, and Chris likes singing, while Anna, Elsa, Joel, Billy, and Leslie are students who likes dancing. To illustrate, Anna, Elsa, and Joel are students who likes both dancing and singing, while Janet and Chris only likes singing, and Billy and Leslie only likes dancing.